Give me anything gingerbread and I'm a happy guy. These gooey, chewy, spicy blondies are the ultimate holiday treat. Stick around. I'll show you how they're made. The one baked treat that is certainly a holiday favorite is gingerbread. The amazing smells that come from the oven while they're baking is all I need to get me in a festive mood. These are packed with warm spices, filled with white chocolate chips, and there's an optional vanilla buttercream that goes on top. It's super easy to make and comes together really quickly. Please, if you haven't already yet, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Spray and line a 9-inch square baking pan with baking spray and parchment paper and leave a little bit hanging over the side so that you can lift the blondies out later. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the brown sugar and melted butter until smooth. Whisk the eggs together before adding them to the sugar butter mixture. This will help them to quickly combine with the mixture. Add the eggs and vanilla and whisk to combine. In a medium mixing bowl, combine all of the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Whisk to combine. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet just to combine. Fold in the white chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and smooth out. Bake until a wooden tester comes out with just a few moist crumbs. It would take about 25 to 35 minutes. Start testing at 25 minutes. Let cool completely in the pan. For the buttercream frosting, which is optional, here's the method for making it. I'm using a stand mixer. You can make this with a hand mixer if you like. Add the butter to the mixing bowl and add the salt. Cream the butter on medium-high speed until fluffy, about 5 minutes. Scrape down the sides and bottom midway through. Lower the mixture to a low speed and spoon in the heavy cream and powdered sugar, alternating until you have a smooth, spreadable frosting. Scrape down the sides and bottom just to get all of the mixture incorporated. You may need to add a little extra cream to get it to a spreadable consistency. Once you've reached a smooth frosting, turn up the mixer speed to medium-high for about 2 minutes. Using the excess parchment paper, lift the blondies out of the pan and cut them however you like. I'm going with triangles. Spread a few generous dollops of the frosting over the blondies. Sprinkle with your favorite holiday sprinkles if you like. These are great for a holiday table, a party, or as a gift for friends. These can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to about 7 days, if they last that long. If you make these, please leave me a comment below and let me know how they turned out. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these. These are delicious. So good.